I'm here waiting on my Domino's pizza, and time to play some video games. Bet your vehicle can't do this. One player. Okay, let's go with this dude. Okay, let's go. And you use the real steering wheel. Isn't that pretty cool? Come on, let's start. Oh, whoa. Get to race while I'm waiting on my pizza. Oh. What is this? Get out of my way. Oh no. Oh no. I'm a horrible driver. What is that? Oh, what? Oh. What in the world? Oh. Come on. I'm winning. Oh no, I'm in second place. There he is. Got my Domino's pizza. Now it's time to put it in the Frunk. Perfect for pizza. See? Ready to go.